Hey Coldbreak, I'm Kevin, the owner of Tapped 419 and the creator of Ladder 419 and Draft Jeep 419, two one-of-a-kind mobile tap systems designed to help local breweries get their beer out of the tap room and into the community. Draft Jeep 419 runs on a Coldbreak USA jumper box, and your gear has never let us down. It's the heart of what we do. Since 2019, we've poured at festivals, fundraisers, and block parties all over Northwest Ohio, Michigan, and Indiana. And more than half of our parties, we donate our vehicles to support our community's local heroes, first responders, healthcare workers, and educators. And along the way, we've even garnered national attention, catching the eye of craft beer magazines, and even the Kelly Clarkson Show.
Thank you so much, Kevin. I love your whole idea. I love how you've pivoted. I love that you're helping your community. I'm liking your post right now.
Which is proof that small ideas with community roots can make a big splash. Now, with the help of Coldbreak USA, we want to go even bigger. With the world's largest jockey box, courtesy of Coldbreak USA, we could represent more breweries, serve more taps, and be at more events where craft beer and community meet. Coldbreak, your gear already powers our mission. Let's work together to bring the world's largest jockey box to Toledo, Ohio, where it's going to serve a lot more than just ice cold beer.